Negril, Negril, Negril. Independence Weekend is gonna be lit, and Smirnoff will be a part of the Negril intensity. Tal, what them have planned?
Smacked in the middle of summer, Emancipation Weekend is all about Smirnoff Tropical Village.
Money, pull up the stairs.
I'm all about the money.
Alright, so you are the promoter for the stoplight party.
Yeah, most definitely.
I mean, this is not the first staging. What are you expecting this year?
The stoplight party has been one of Negril original and one of Negril premier party. It's been around for over 7 years. This year it's going to be very, very great. I have a very, very exciting lineup.
Having your Smirnoff responsibly, I see. Smirnoff Tropical Village 2017. I mean, what do you think about the entire staging?
It's going to be a wholesome package. You come with the food, you come with the fun, the frolic. So it's a good vibe all around.
So Jason, brand manager Spirits from Smirnoff. Why did you guys decide to jump on board and partake again in this initiative?
Well, as you realize, this is not our first time on board. This is actually the second year. So the first year that they came to us, we decided to take a risk and go in, and it worked out perfectly fine. We saw that the market needed this kind of party, something that is economical for people, something that is within the reach of the locals. So getting the reception that we got last year, we decided that we needed to come on board this year to make it as bigger and better.
Chevelle Mela here from Tropical Village Entertainment. Chevelle, so many parties, so many events. Talk to me about the lineup and what we can expect.
You can expect an entertainment-packed event. We're pre-packaging a weekend to suit the needs of persons looking for authentic entertainment, fun, vibes, liquor, food. It's all there, just at a cost of $18,000 for your season pass only.
What's going to be the most intense thing about Smirnoff Tropical Village Emancipation Weekend?
Smirnoff and the vibe, the music, the DJs, everything. The weekend on its own is going to be intense. You cannot miss it.
What are your thoughts on the entire weekend?
I think that the weekend is necessary at this point. It's committed to the authentic feel of Negril. I think that this is a great platform where people can feel safe, come and have genuine, authentic Jamaican parties, experience Jamaican cuisine, and have the coolest mixed drinks around.
5 nights, 8 events, all for a really, really reasonable cost. Trust me, you can't beat Smirnoff Tropical Village this Emancipation Weekend.